Hey guys, Jesper here. I have super exciting news for you, and that is that we updated the stack builder to now include local SEO information. So if you are doing local SEO and you want to boost your website's maps rankings, we now automated that part of you inside of the stack builder. So we have now included the same functionality as we have in the AI local websites. That's now included in the stack builder. So let me just hop right in. So when you open the stack builder, and let me just select the client. When you open the stack builder, you will notice that we have a new step down here, which is called local. And when I click on local, you will be able to see that you now have the same possibilities that you have also in the AI website local version. So you can choose to include Wikipedia content, things to do, points of interest, driving directions from competition, reviews of your Google business profile, or driving directions from points of interest. And let me just walk through each of these steps. So the Wikipedia content is of course dependent on the city that we operate in. And what you do is that you insert the Wikipedia name or the name of the city here from Wikipedia in this field. So let me go to Google and let me find a company that we can work on. And I decided to search for Tree Service Alabama, and then I want to find a company that's not ranking in the top. So let's take Ace Tree Service here. So Ace Tree Service, that's how they look. And so let me go over to this field here. So you need to insert the place ID in order for the API to be able to fetch the correct information. So you need to click on this link here, and scroll down, and then we enter the company, Ace Tree Service. And then just check that I have the correct. So they have 4213 First Avenue. It must be this guy here, First Avenue North. Yeah, and let's copy the place ID. Copy, and paste, Driving directions, radius will be 6 kilometers. The Google keyword will be Tree Service Alabama. City name will be, I think it's Birmingham, Alabama. Let me just check here. Birmingham, Alabama. So I need to go to Wikipedia in order to copy the name as it is written, directly as it is written in Wikipedia, because we depend on the Wikipedia integration, so we need to spell it exactly as it's called in Wikipedia. So I click on this check button and it says found. So with this done, I can now go through these steps. Things to do, we have an interval, and that means on each page we will place between 3 and 10 points of interest. If you know you want 5, you just type 5 and then it will be exactly 5, but I'll just say between 5 to 10. Driving directions from competition is the same, between 3 to 10 driving directions. Or you can say, I want 4, and you would just say 4. But the reason that I have this interval, that we implemented this, is because we are building a cloud stack with many pages, and we don't want the exact same number of driving directions and points of interest, because we want this randomization. So that's why we built in this randomization feature. So reviews, that's the Google Business Profile reviews, and we can see that this guy, he has 428 reviews. So we made an extension to the local SEO AI website, because we can now choose to have embeds of the reviews, links pointing to the reviews, or a combination. Combination means that on each page it will be randomized if it's embeds of the reviews or if it's links pointing to the reviews. So what is a link? Well, let's see here. For example, here is a review. I can click up here. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, if I click over here, let me find the. Here it is. Yeah, so here I'm reading I'm inside of their Google Business Profile now. I can click on this guy here and click share. So this is the link to the review. And we know that if we are linking to the reviews, in modesty, of course, but if we are linking to the reviews, it can boost both the organic and also the match rankings. But we don't want to leave a footprint. We want randomization. So that's why we have combination here. Driving directions will be points of interest pointing to the Google Business Profile. And again, I want the interval. So with that done, I will now start to build the diagram. The diagram name will be tree service Alabama. Keyword will be tree service Alabama. Protected terms will be tree service and tree service Alabama. Target URL. Yeah, why not actually just target their websites? So this is the target URL, dude. And tree service Alabama. And now down to the bucket selection, I will click on this guy because I want to select the buckets manually. So I click on the gear and I have my account. And I make a bucket, or I have a bucket, for example, Alabama tree. So let me just check this one because I had a bucket already I could see. So let me call it ACE1 because I don't know if I'm going to use more than one bucket. Let's take voucher. And do I have Alabama tree service? Yes, I do. And directory is one. And close. And you'll be able to notice that we changed the default setting for the URL structure. So we now select always the strongest version of these URLs here. And voucher. And let's take... so one thing we also updated the stack builder with is that when you select the clients, you see the client name is Jesper. I did not add exascale to this client. And you're now notified inside of the stack builder why you cannot add this cloud. And this is, in this case, it's because I did not add exascale. So of course I cannot add it. So let me take scaleway instead. Let's say buckets Alabama tree service and ACE1. So we will keep with the convention. Select directory first. I think I did. Add. Yep. So close. Scaleway. All right, so let's take 1 and 5 and 3. So now I'm building 21 pages because I don't want to wait all night. I don't think I will do anything else because I just want to use the default settings. Oh, I might want to. I might want to have images from Unsplash instead, the free images search. Yeah, so let me take this one because then I will use random images from Unsplash that are actual images. So if this CloudStack rank, it will look good. I don't want to have anything that doesn't look good. So now I have actually good looking images from Unsplash. So that's actually probably the only thing that I would change here. All right, so let me just click generate All right. So now it's generating. So let me just click pause while it's generating. All right. So now it's done. So what I can do now is I can click over here, and I'm inside of the table my website. So I can click over here, click on the CSV, and I will now download this CSV file here. And so this is what it looks like. I hope you can still see my screen, but anyway, I'll copy one of these URLs and open it up so you can see. So this is what it looks like, and this is the AI content and the explanation. And when we scroll down to the bottom, we will be able to see that it says about Birmingham, Alabama. And when I open up this guy here, I can see now we have the new information. That's the local information. So we can see here that this is the information from Wikipedia about Birmingham in Alabama, coordinates. We can see things to do in Birmingham, Alabama. And we have 5 on this page. We can see driving directions in Birmingham, Alabama to the company. We can see reviews, and yeah. So let me click to the next. And you'll be able to notice that we have these nice images from the Unsplash, and I really like these images because it's good images, high quality images. So we can open this guy here, again information, and then we have 8, or was it 3, 6? We have 8 here, and we have 8 here driving directions, and then we have reviews, and so on. So this will be this will be nice because this is actually extremely nice because it just saves you so much time. I used to do this in hand. I am doing this in hand. I'm not anymore, but I used to do this in hand. Go out, search in Google for Google Maps to make these embeds, but it's just now so easy, and it's all done using the API. So, and let's see if this points. Yeah, so this points to the website, Tree Service Alabama. So as you can see, that the way that I did build this CloudStack, I can see I have 2 observations. So the first observation is that this boosts the maps rankings because, we'll just go back, because we have the embeds and the way that we structured the information on these pages. So it boosts map rankings. I know that from testing, but it also boosts the organic rankings because we have this do follow backlink back to the ACE3 service website, ace3bham.com. So let me just go back here. And I know that you cannot see the Mangools. When I'm using the Loom screen recorder, you cannot see the Mangools plugin. But this page has the domain authority 93 and page authority 46. Because all of these pages are interlinked, all of the domain authority will be channeled into this page, which then will be the one do follow link pointing into the website that we are trying to boost. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this update, guys. It will be extremely useful for all of us that are doing local SEO and all of us that are actually using the Cloud Stack Builder, the Stack Builder, to build these Cloud Stacks. All right, I think that's it for now. Take care, guys. Have a nice weekend.